Okay, so something happened. He should pop out right here. He should, right there. Southwest again. There he's got a, what is that light? It may be navigation. I know it's not strobes. Strobes are white and they're on the wingtip. I'm pretty sure navigation is the red and green. I do not know what the one blinking red on the top and bottom is. But you gotta think, there's so many passengers on that plane, and I'm just down here watching them. Am I a stalker? I may be. And goodbye, people.